Are you teaching English to Japanese people? Are you interested in Japanese grammar terms? In this video, I show you the essential grammar terms. You can impress your students and your colleagues. Okay, let's start.
あすか先生の日本語道場。
こんにちは、Asuka Sensei です。Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about Japanese grammar terms. You can use them when you teach English to your Japanese students. They're also helpful when you ask questions to your Japanese language teacher. The first word is grammar. 文法. 文法. The first kanji character means sentence, and the next kanji character means law or rule. So it means sentence rules. So that's grammar. 文法. And next word is subject. This is 主語. 主語. The first character means main, and the second character means language or word. So the main word means subject. 主語. Next one is verb. 動詞. 動詞. The first character means movement, and second character means word. So movement words, moving word. So verb. 動詞. Next one is adjective. 形容詞. 形容詞. The first two characters, 形容, means description, and then this one means word. So descriptive word is adjective. 形容詞. Preposition. In English, you have these words like in, on, at. 前置詞. 前置詞. The first two characters, 前置, means in front and then put. So preposition and word. So 前置詞 is preposition. These words are in English, but we Japanese don't have them. Particle is maybe you already know Japanese particles, and we call them joshi. Joshi. The first character means help, and the second character means word. So helpful word. So joshi, such as wa, ga, or o, they help how noun works in a sentence. So in English, you don't have these words. These are Japanese only. Alright, let's make some sentences. What is the subject in this sentence? この文の主語は何ですか? この文の主語は何ですか? So この文 means this sentence. 主語 is subject, and 何ですか what. So この文の主語は何ですか? Next one, what is a verb in this sentence? Just change this word, verb. この文の動詞は何ですか? この文の動詞は何ですか? Verb is 動詞 in Japanese. Which preposition should I or you use? So in Japanese, we don't normally show the subject of the sentence. So if you ask your student which preposition should you use, you say like this. どの前置詞を使ったらいいですか? どの前置詞を使ったらいいですか? But this sentence also works as when you ask question to your tutor, which preposition should I use? Okay? And which particle should I or should you use? どの助詞を使ったらいいですか? どの助詞を使ったらいいですか? Okay, 助詞 is particle. So which particle? どの助詞を使ったらいいですか? So you can use this sentence to ask your teacher, Japanese language teacher, どの助詞を使ったらいいですか? Okay, so today we've learned Japanese grammar terms. If you know them, it would be easier to explain English grammar to your Japanese students. Also, they are helpful when you ask questions to your Japanese language teacher. Use these grammar terms and they would be impressed. If you love this tutorial, please like the video. Do you know someone who might be interested in this video? Please share. If you're interested in learning authentic Japanese, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell mark. You can get a notification when I upload a new tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you soon. またね